disconnected.
Okay, I'm going to go riding with a bunch of Harleys. Actually, there's a Goldwing here, too.
Pick up the pieces. Pick up the pieces.
I'll follow the back.
There wouldn't to be in the back.
Yeah, this mom and dad like to ride the back.
Well, they can ride in the middle. They're going to ride the back. They're following around to make sure they're in the back.
Oh, no.
Hope I can keep up with that Tony is what I'm worried about.
Oh, yeah.
He got one of them Harley Bagos.
Wait till I pop out the canopy. Yeah. I still hear that squeaking. I hear the squeak.
I do too.
Sound like a bird.
What squeaking is it?
Squeak, squeak, squeak.
Tony's motorcycle.
Oh. Yeah, I heard something. I started to say, is that Tony's motorcycle? Because when me and you rode last weekend, I didn't hear nothing. It's them loud pipes he's got on there.
That's the quiet ones, buddy.
Oh.
I took the loud ones off.
Eagle's nest.
Oh, I couldn't see it. I'm on this curve.
It's a great big old eagle's nest.
Look at all them buzzards out there. I mean, there's 100 of them out there.
Yeah, I just hope, oh God, yeah, there's something dead out there. I hope one of them don't poop on us.
Yeah, hopefully it's you and not me.
I don't want pooped on.
Oh.
Shoot. I smell whatever it is that them birds are after.
Hopefully there's some nice colors down through here. I see some already. Oh, the wind is blowing today. 20 mile an hour, 30 mile an hour gusts.
Yeah, it feels like it's going to knock us over.
Big time.
Still a pretty day.
68 degrees.
That little man's probably wondering why I've got my legs out like this.
Your legs out like Kayla.
Yeah, I'm just stretching my legs. A little bit different doing this on here compared to doing it on the 3L.
Yeah.
Or 300L.
Coon Creek.
I could almost touch the ground.
Yeah, you don't want to do that. What we got here?
Oh. Got a fire somewhere?
Or something. Oh, they ain't got their
Oh, they're having some kind of event.
Oh. 1,000 feet to the ferry. So we're down here in Arkansas, and this is the Peel Ferry. And it is pretty cool. Don't know how long the wait is, unless the ferry just happens to be on our side. There's where we go across to, right over there.
Mhm.
Oh no, I get armrest. Pretty handy. Hey, I can do that. Oh wait a minute, I can't reach the bars. Dang
Ha
it.
ha ha ha.
If I had cruise control, I wouldn't need to. You probably got cruise control.
When it works.
When it works, it don't work all the time.
It works, but you gotta tap it a little bit
Huh.
because it'll when it starts giving it gas, it won't back off right.
Oh yeah.
And I've oiled the cable and shrouded the cable.
Ow.
I think it's a little box down. But I mean, it's not tied up here.
You get off if you want.
They had problems with it.
Well, I didn't have to run over Tony's muffler.
Yep. That's why I wanted you to go in front of me.
Yeah. I didn't even say, he said, "You're in front of Justin." Like, oh well. Maybe. I had you push the button up. We didn't it ever do anything. We was already connected.
Yeah, hell, you were closer than what you got. Figured anything else would work better.
Yeah.
Coming on a good gun.
Yeah, 'cause I don't think you can help from getting wet on them, huh?
Be like, what's his name? Had to go to court over splashing somebody on
Oh,
one.
it may be.
Like it's a little choppy.
Debbie, you ever been on YouTube? You are now.
Yeah, Frank's got a YouTube channel.
I've got you recording it.
No, I recorded when we started at L&L, and then started recording when we started down this road
He can't do
a
the
little
whole
bit.
time unless he's got the
Well, I got
GoPro.
this battery on it now, so
Oh,
I
you
actually
got the
could.
battery on it? Oh. So you hid that one from
I'm
me.
plugged in.
Because you told me, well, I can't do that because I could only do like an hour and a half.
I can't on the battery that's
And I
on
forgot the GoPro.
it. Well, I don't think you normally see that.
What?
Because the water's usually up here. Yeah. That island out there.
Oh, yeah.
But see how low that island is? I'm thinking you don't even, I've never seen it before. So, because we go to right over there, and that. So what's these things over here like railroad?
They pull them up out of the water.
Pull what up out of the water?
The barge.
Oh, really?
You can walk over there and look. They got tracks all the way down in the water.
Oh, cool. When they had to pull them out to work on them or something?
I'm guessing. Only when they sink.
Oh, I guess there's the, yeah.
We should have brought our fishing poles, Frank.
Yeah, as if we have time to fish. I
You
don't
got
have
a little bit of time on the barge.
I don't have time, but you have time.
We have our
You
Arkansas
catch one
fishing
before I
license.
would. Yeah. We ain't gone enough to justify paying for Arkansas.
Yeah. We've only been like 2 or 3 times. Never did catch nothing yet. Not in Arkansas.
Yeah.
For one person or both? We only paid $100 between the both of us for Arkansas. That's crazy.
Bringing the ferry in. Yeah, there's a bunch of ice on there. Here we go. Load them up. Well, there's a kind of a bent spot on this metal you wouldn't want to catch your frame on.
Yeah, no joke. Do, do.
Watch him pipes on his bike. Oh, actually, his pipes don't stick out far enough to burn you. Uh-uh.
Yeah, I hear you now, probably.
Oh, Tony.
Yep.
Huh. You're not on there. Why'd you push your button? You didn't have to. You was already connected to me. Well, just wait. See if it connects. Hang on. What'd you push? Once? Oh, well, there, yeah. You didn't even need to push it. To push your button one time. Yeah, it is. You get on this bike compared to the dual sport, and I mean, hell, I barely move my feet off pegs. They're on the ground. Look how high yours are. You only pushed it once. Push it one time.
And them leaves, they look like rocks in the road. Some of them.
Yeah, see how the low that is?
Oh yeah, mine.
Yeah. Yeah, look how tall your foot pegs are compared to them.
Oh, it is leaning.
Oh, that's true. We are on the Peel Ferry in Arkansas. Load up, we got a Gold Wing with us, some Harleys, and a wife. There it is. There's people over there waiting to go. Is that Alcatraz? That's what that is. I've never seen Alcatraz before. There it is. Man, it's nice. Nice breeze out across this lake. It's white capping. That's how much the wind's blowing. You can see the white caps out there. Hmm. This lake is way down.
Yeah, it is. It's way up. I said, see this? You see this? I said, yeah, honey, you're old enough. Okay.
There's a turlet right there. If you need to go, there's a turlet right there. Look at that. We're fixing to pass Alcatraz. See right there? A mini version. No, that's why I said it's low. Because I've never seen that before. I've been through here a lot of times, never seen that. Surely all them bugs ain't from today.
No, last week.
I was trying to say you didn't clean it.
I know it's some bugs today, though.
I got a few, but I'm surprised on my lens there's not no more than there is.
Clean mine off, and I've got bugs on it.
That's because you're going so fast.
Yeah. I wasn't going no faster than Kevin.
That's true, you couldn't. He's behind him.
Last Saturday, last race? Yes.
You want you boys take a leak on the boat? There's fresh water over here.
It's running from his direction.
A lot of green.
I lost Kevin and Tony.
Uh-oh. I don't know if I have them either.
Yep. I'd say it is. Yep.
Well, I hear Tony.
Yeah, I've got him back. Kevin should be on here too. Ain't you, Kevin? Kevin,
What?
he's ignoring. I see you in the mirror.
I seen that big grin
Yeah,
in the mirror.
yeah, I seen him in the mirror. That's what he blew it. I'm like, are you serious? Tony connected, but Kevin didn't.
Oh, he's being a stinker.
Whoa, hang on. I knocked Kevin over. Dang,
That's a rough landing, wasn't it?
Can't even hear my bike over them Harleys. Gee whiz.
I can hear that rice popping.
Is that what that is? The helmets are popping?
Yeah.
The rice.
Oh, no fishing, no luring. On the dock.
See there, my wife wanted to fish, break the law.
Hey, it
Fish.
says on the dock, not on the boat.
Oh,
Yeah, there wasn't a sign nowhere on the boat.
well, you just cast a
It just
fishing
said-
pole out and see what happens.
It just said no fish, no smoking on the boat.
Oh,
It didn't say nothing about no fishing.
yeah, you could catch that cement on fire,
He must be one of us go around.
evidently. He knows we're too fast, Kevin.
I figured that one motorcycle would be one to go around inside the wall. It was behind us.
Probably.
He'll find out. He'll find out in a minute when he catches up. We're doing 20.
Yeah,
Yeah.
he'll blow by us. That Goldwing could be thinking, "Oh my gosh, I should never let them in front of me."
Now look at that. Look at that Volkswagen.
Didn't think dangerous. Yeah, Volkswagen passed them.
Dang, wouldn't you hate to live down here and have to drive out to work?
Maybe they don't work.
That'd about have to be, I
I
think.
mean, they get a government check and they can stay home. Or have a government job and they have a government vehicle to drive back and forth.
Yeah.
I need to figure out how to get one of them.
I'm on with them, or you don't have to work, you still get paid.
Well, I seen an advertisement the other day that says if you got any kind of injury that keeps you from doing your full work each week, you can draw a check.
Well, I do. I'm injured. The only thing I can do is actually sit on this motorcycle. It's like the perfect comfort.
I should be able to do that.
Kind of massages your back, doesn't
Yeah, exactly. That's the only thing that makes me feel good.
That's what Gerald always used to say. Oh, Dado.
it? Yep.
There's the sheriff.
I'd probably chew with him as much as he rode. He put the miles on that thing.
If there wasn't ice on the road, he rode her.
That's right.
I'm not so sure he didn't ride with ice on the road.
I wouldn't doubt it.
I know his mustache should be all iced up.
He rides when there's sticks of wood in the road.
Yeah, he did that, didn't he?
Yeah, he did.
I was going home from the Christmas parade.
Yep.
Well, he was fortunate on that one, I'm telling you.
I don't know how he kept it up with Mom on there,
I
but,
don't either.
and then rode it home.
Yeah,
Oh, that bent wheel.
with the tube showing.
Yeah, yeah.
No doubt. It's crazy.
There he
Damn,
goes.
Kevin,
Here
watch
he
out,
goes,
there's a
Kevin.
pointer up there. Guess he
Your
don't care.
Your helmet's not buckled.
I told you there'd be one around us. I thought about sitting there and telling him to go on, but
My goodness, kind of freaked me out.
I think I pooped a little.
I thought you was cussing me for a minute.
I was like, what in the world is that noise?
You get it?
That girl didn't have no backrest either.
I didn't even notice there was a passenger. He went by too fast. They may not be here in a little while.
I'm glad I didn't stick my hands out to do my thing, my airplane mode thing. I would have smacked them.
Yeah. That was right by us.
Because I was getting ready to until I told you that your helmet was undone.